guys, so I just got home from work and I had a special delivery while I was at work be delivered, and I'm gonna go check that out, see what's going on with it, and here it is. So, big box. That's not that heavy. I thought it'd be heavier. I haven't even touched it. I'll bring it out here in the light. Alright, a box of boxes. I think I know what's in here. So I'm gonna save that one. Yeah, here's the good stuff. Here's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. Alright. I think you know what this is by now. Got an intercooler. Cool. Box 2. I'm sure you guys can guess now what's in here. Oh yeah. Piping. Piping. More piping, more piping. Couplers and clamps. Looks good to me. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another piece of the puzzle. Got a nice box here that is pretty heavy. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got today. This is a couple days after me getting the intercooler. Oh yeah. I think you guys know what that says. Yep, it sure does. Yep. Y'all know what's in here. I'm getting excited. Paperwork, who needs it? Aw, snap. Here she is. Woo! I'm actually extra excited right now. I've been waiting for this for so long. Not to ship, but just to buy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, she's pretty. Pretty. Oh yeah. We're in business with the EG, let me tell you. Pretty. Alright, and also came with the gasket for the flange. Also, nice little another gasket for the oil feed line. Right there. Sitting pretty. I really couldn't help myself and stick it there for a minute. It just looks so nasty sitting in here. Pretty hyped. It's gonna be a beaut. Alright. There goes my phone. So, I got another package for the EG. Another piece to Exodia, which I've already opened. Just wanted to check things out. I got a little excited. Here it is. Nice turbo manifold. T4 flange, meet up with the Borg Warner. I've already put the studs in here that mount the turbo. I gotta mess with them a little bit, but this is very exciting. This is definitely a big piece of the puzzle to get everything connected together, working in harmony. I still need a few other pieces, like the wastegate, blow-off valve. But yeah, this is the manifold. I went with 1320. I like it. Beautiful. It's made very nice. I have no issues or complaints with it whatsoever. Came packed great. All sorts of packing peanuts. I've taken some out, but so yeah, let's get some close-ups. Now I want to work on the damn car. So we're going to put the intercooler in. So I need a Phillips to get these out, which are pretty big size Phillips. I might have to locate one of those. And also, hopefully they come out without stripping, because they've been in for a very long time. So let's give that a go. This is honestly one of the best tools ever. Yeah, I'm about to take the front bumper off. Just gonna loosen up these guys in the front. Bumpers just front bumper is out and needs to be cleaned. And this right here is where the intercooler will be hanging out. Now she's sitting pretty. I'm gonna try and get some of this intercooler piping on to complete the effect. Alright, I got the intercooler all mounted up and all the piping routed. And I got the pipe that runs from here around. I just got some covers on the hole so I get no debris. But yeah, I don't know how long I'll keep the intercooler mounted up like that. I don't know if I already said that, but I mean, it's mounted up solid. It's not gonna ever fall, but I might rig up something else. But I like it. I don't know. I might never. Who knows? But it looks sick. Let me move this paperwork. What's going down here? I don't have the gasket or anything. It's just 2 bolts on it just to hold it so I can see it. Looks sick. No, I'm gonna throw the turbo on there just to mess around, see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Hopefully this fits. So I think that mouse gonna have to come on. Here's my favorite tool. Where's the tin rail? Oh yeah, the broken bolt in it. Here it goes. This thing's dying. I thought this battery was charged. I ain't gonna need that no more. Alright, now let's see. Ooh. Ooh. So it even close or what? Rip. Golly. Just want to see. Woo! And space to share. This is glorious. Man, I'm excited. This is sick. This is so sick. So that's basically where I'm at with the EG. I have the intercooler installed, the piping all routed, the turbo manifold and turbo mocked up. Also need oil feed lines, wastegate, blow-off valve, oil drain, and a bung welded onto my oil pan. Engine management, a few other little odds and ends, a wideband, you know, just a couple other little things. It's buttoning up real nice. I'm pretty excited how far I've gotten with this already. Yeah, so make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. So I can see what you guys want to see next with the EG. Maybe we can name this thing. Pretty excited. So make sure you stay tuned. Got more coming.